Welcome to video lecturing on BSc first semester mathematics on matrices. This is session 19. In this session we are going to study about the problems on consistency criterion. Learning objectives of this session are problems on non-homogeneous linear equations, criterion for the uniqueness of the solution. Let us take one example in this. Verify the system x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 4z is equals to 11 for consistency and hence solve. So first you have to write the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix is A colon B is equals to, you have to write the elements along with the RHS coefficients. That is 1, 2 minus 3 minus 4, 2, 3, 2, 2. Third row is 3 minus 3 minus 4, 11. Next, you have to convert this matrix into echelon form to find the rank of this matrix. For that, you have to make the first elements in third and second rows to be 0. For that, we are using row operations, that is R2 changes to we are changing R2 here. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R2. You will get here this is a that is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1. It is not R2. This one is, I have done a mistake here in typing mistake. It is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1 it is. Then you will get here this second row you will get here. Similarly, and R3 changes to here, this one is not R2, it is R1 it is. This one is R1. This is R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1 it is. So you will get this third row, So next, again we want to make the remaining this element to be 0. This element we want to make here 0. So for this we have to use here this row operation. R3 changes to here. This is R3 changes to, this R3 changes to what here? R3 changes to R3 minus of 9 times of R2 here. After simplification you will get here, this is R3 now. R3 changes to R3 minus 9 times of R2. You will get here minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0. And after simplification here, this element is here, R3 is 5 minus 9 times of, this is 9 times of R2. R2 is what here? R2 is 8. So 5 minus 9 is 72. 72 plus 5 gives minus 67. Similarly, and this element, this last element here is R3 is 23 minus 9 times of it is 10. That is minus 90 plus 23 gives minus 67. So this is the third row here. So here I had a mistake. You make this one as 1. It is R3 minus this one. R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1 it is. So here we cannot make this one element 0. If you make this element 0, you will get some more element here. Therefore, you have to stop here only. This implies here rank of this A colon B. Rank of the A colon B is, there are 3 non-zero rows. So rank of A colon B is 3. Similarly, rank of the matrix A. So rank of A is only this much. Here also we have 3 non-zero rows. So rank of A is also equals to 3. Therefore, rank of A is equals to rank of AB. Therefore, it has a solution and it is equals to 3. 3 is the number of unknowns, and we know in previous session we have seen here, if both the ranks are equal and it is equals to number of unknowns, then the system is consistent and has a unique solution. Reconstructing the system from final form of matrix A colon B, we have here, so that is here first row is x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to minus 4, and second row is we don't have any x, so it is minus y plus 8 is equals to minus y plus 8z is equals to 10, and in third row we will get here minus 67 z is equals to minus 67. So that we have here. So from third equation we have here on both sides we have minus 67 get cancelled. We have z is equals to 1 it is. And this second equation implies here, take 8z in this side, it is 8z minus 8z, we have taken minus 5 only itself here in this side, it becomes 8z minus 10. This implies y is equals to, substitute the value of z here. So here y is equals to what we have here, 8z, z is 1 minus 10. So this implies here y is equals to how much? Y is equals to minus 2. Similarly, equation 1 implies here x is equals to take all these terms in that side. Here it is minus 4 minus 2y plus 3z. So in this you substitute, here you substitute here x is equals to minus 4 minus 2y, y is minus 2 and plus 3z, z is 1. Simplify this. It is minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. We have here z is x is equals to 3. So like this we have here the values of x, y, z. So thus we have here x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2 and z is equals to 1 is the required solution. Let us take one more example. Find the value of lambda for which the system x plus y plus z is equals to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to lambda, x plus 4y plus 10z is equals to lambda square is consistent, and hence solve. First you have to write the augmented matrix is, write the coefficients of x, y, z along with the RHS. So first row 1 1 1 colon 1, second row is 1 2 4 colon lambda. This is from second equation, and the coefficients of x, y, z in third equations are 1 4 10 and lambda square. Let us apply these row operations here. So first you have to make these two elements here. This is the matrix A. Applying row operations, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Here this one, we want to make this element to be 0. We want to make this element is equals to 0. We want to make this second element 0 and this is also equals to 0. Now for that you have to use here R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 because in first row we have 1 1 1 and R2 changes to R3 minus R1. So you will get here R1 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3 and similarly it is lambda minus 1. And third row is 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 10 minus 1 is 9 and lambda square minus 1 is lambda square minus 1 it is. So next we want to make here this element 0, these two elements 0. For that you have to use here R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R2 it is. You have to use these two rows here. So it is 0 minus 0 is 0. First you have to first row and second you have to keep as it is. Third row minus, this is 3 minus 3 it is. R3 knows 3. Then minus 3 times of R2. Above this we have 1 here. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. You will get this one here 0. Similarly this 9 minus here it is 9. No? This is R3 is 9 minus 3 times of above this we have here 3. It is 3. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. You will get 0 here also. And next one is here this one lambda square. No? R3 here is in third row. What we have here? We have lambda square minus 1. Minus 3 times of R2. What we have here R2 is lambda minus 1. So open this bracket. What we get here lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 1 plus 3 it is. Minus 1 plus 3 gives plus 2. So this is the next element. So what this implies here? This implies here rank of this matrix A. This is A. Rank of this matrix is 2 because here there are only 2 non-zero rows in this. So rank of A is equals to what we have here? 2. And rank of this AB here. Rank of AB. So this one here. For the system to be consistent here. For the system to be consistent, what we have here? Rank of AB is equals to rank of A. Then only it is consistent. So for that, to have a solution, this rank of A colon B must also be equals to 2. So this is possible only when this element is equals to 0. Then only these two ranks are equal. So for that, we have to take here. A colon B is equals to, this is a 0. Rank of A colon B is 2. Therefore, what we have here, third element, this last element of this A colon B to be 0. That is lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equals to 0. Factorize this. So I hope all of you know how to factorizing this one here. Factorizing this one. That is coefficients of first and last element you have to multiply here. That is coefficients of first and last are 2. Multiplication should be 2 and sum is minus 3. So factors are here minus 2 minus 1 here. After factorization, what we have here? This is lambda square. I hope all of you know this one here. Lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus 2 is equals to 0 here. So in these two, what we have here, in these two we can take here lambda common, it is lambda minus 2 minus 1 common lambda minus 2. So in these two we have here lambda minus 2 is common, one element, and another element is lambda minus 1. So like this you will get here this element. So from this what we can see here, lambda equals to 1 and lambda equals to 2. So hence for lambda equals to 1 comma 2 the above system is consistent, and since what we have here lambda this is rank of A and rank of A colon B are 2 and it is less than the number of unknowns, therefore the system has infinite solutions, this we know. Let us take here we have two values of lambda now. First you have to select lambda equals to 1. Then equation implies what here, A colon B is equals to, in the place of lambda you have to put 1 here, you will get A colon B as 1 1 1 colon 1 0 1 3 colon 0 0 0 0 colon 0, because here we have taken lambda square minus the lambda plus 2 is equals to 0. So reconstructing the system from this, we have here x plus y plus z is equals to 1, y plus 3z is equals to 0. So equation 2 implies here this one, equation 2 implies y is equals to minus 3z, and substitute x is equals to, and equation 1 implies here x is equals to 1 minus y minus z, this is equals to 1. Here you have to substitute the value of y is minus 3z, minus into minus plus 3z, and this minus z as it is. So what we have here, 1 minus, that is 1, 3z minus z is 2z, so it is 1 plus 2z. X is equals to 1 plus 2z. And now you have to choose here z is equals to k some arbitrary value k1 arbitrarily, so that we have here x is equals to 1 plus 2 k1 and y equals to minus 3 k1 and z is equals to k1. This is the required general solution. And the second case is when lambda is equals to minus 2, then equation 1 implies in the given matrix A colon B, you have to substitute the value of lambda here, you will get this matrix here. In the in case this is in A colon B, you have to substitute this lambda, you will get this. Now reconstructing the system from this, we have here x plus y plus z is equals to 1, 0, and no need to write 0 here. This is y plus 3z is equals to, y plus 3z is equals to 1. So this implies here y is equals to 1 minus 3z. Substitute this value of y in equation 1. So from equation 1 what we have here, x equals to 1 minus y minus z. In this y you have to substitute here 1 minus 3z, it is minus 1 plus 3z and minus z. After simplification you will get here it is equals to 2z. Now you have to choose here z is equals to k2 arbitrarily. So that here x is equals to, we have 2z, no, it is 2k2, and y is equals to 1 minus 3k2 and z is equals to k2 is the required complete solution. And we have some multiple choice questions in this. I have given 5 multiple choice questions. You have to try to solve these questions yourself, and I have given answer also. You can refer your textbooks for solving this one, or you can refer our notes also. So I have given 5 multiple choice questions. This is all about this session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.